now the pasta is cooking inside the sauce. Almost ready. Sorry. Here we are. To make the sauce sometimes a little bit more thick, they're using a special secret. It's oil and flour. Okay, you will see you're gonna give the sauce the nice consistency, nice texture. You can see already the sauce become thick. It's like magic. You can see now it was liquid, and now we're gonna add, very important, then some fresh extra virgin olive oil, of course from Tuscany, because I'm from Tuscany. So I'm just using olive oil from Tuscany. And now we're gonna just have the last taste of the sauce before serve to our guests. For me, it's missing just a little bit more salt, so we're gonna add it at the end. Just like that's all. Okay, ready to be served.
So now plating.
Plating, yes. Plating and eating is the most nice part. You can see how the pasta is become creamy. Very important, should be not too liquid. So we are trying to give a nice presentation also to the pasta. Voila, I think the pasta is gonna be enough. Finish it. Actually, this vongole with pasta. It's not pasta with vongole, because you can see the quantity of vongole you're gonna have here. Enough. And you don't like too much sauce. Some parsley, fresh parsley. Of course, the last touch on the table. Voilà. Et voilà. This for you. Pasta with clams. Buon appetito.
Brilliant. Thank you.